Katanya kamu pernah fight, your fastest fight is 7 seconds.
Ya, bener.
Gimana itu?
Ini orangnya like a little bit crazy. Doesn't have the best record too. Funny enough, 2 weeks before, temen aku Gucci Aquaman, dia lagi clubbing.
Katanya kamu pernah jadi promotor juga.
Iya, bener.
Ih,
Yeah.
apa tuh, coba explain dong.
When I was in high school, I would make people, I would have a garage
Yeah.
di bawah rumah aku. Terus I would have friends fight each other.
They do know you, right?
Yeah, I said, you fight him. They're like, who's that? And I said, don't worry.
Any signs near that you will go to the UFC after this?
I just can't say too much. I can't say when. It's not really decided yet. I can't really say, but
Can
tahun
I
ini.
guess?
Okay, yeah, guess.
Dana White Contender Series? Weighing 125 pounds, standing in 175 centimeters. This is the CFFC Flyweight Champion, Villa the Indonesia Hasan!
Waduh.
Hari ini kita kedatangan Mang Mulet ya.
Mulet.
There's a catchphrase yang bilang begini. Karena rambut mulet, hatimu kepelet gitu. Kamu tahu nggak?
Enggak. Artinya
Ya,
apa?
lebih baik kamu nggak usah tahu ya.
Oke.
Welcome to Indonesia. House Indonesia. Kamu nyampe udah berapa hari lalu?
Udah 3 hari di sini.
3 hari. So how's it?
Amazing. Better than I expected. It's
So
been
what
8
do you
years.
expect?
Good food, makanannya enak sekali. The weather is super hot, panas banget bro.
Panas banget.
Iya, I'm not used to it di Seattle, terlalu dingin. Tapi sekarang lagi summer, so it's really nice, really nice. You come to Seattle, we take you around wherever. You come
Okay.
to my gym.
Berarti kamu kalau summer berapa derajat Celcius ya?
Kalau Celsius aku nggak tahu, tapi Fahrenheit like 70, 75. Harus lihat. Not too cold, but the air is super nice.
75 Fahrenheit to Celsius. 23. Kayak di Bandung.
Kayak
Kamu
di
tahu
Bandung. Iya.
Kamu udah pernah ke Bandung belum?
Enggak, tapi hari Ribu.
Hari Ribu.
Hari Rabu. Maaf.
Gimana kamu berasa tajir belum di sini?
Tajir
Tajir is
artinya
rich. Kamu
rich.
berasa kaya nggak?
Di sini.
Your money kan banyak jadi thousand.
Oh iya. It definitely feels a lot more. Everything's a lot more cheaper here. A lot more cheaper.
Enak ya?
Iya, enak sekali. Tapi ya di Amerika mahal banget, bro.
Kamu kalau makan siang di Amerika berapa duit?
Kalau makan siang bisa 20 ke 25.
25 kali 18 guys.
Yeah, it's crazy.
5 kali 8, 40. 2 kali 1, 8. Banyak lah.
Iya, emang banyak.
Itu kayak 400.000.
400. How much is that again?
400,000.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot.
Ya, you makan soto tangkar kemarin kan?
Yeah, hari ini.
It is 50.000.
Iya, emang.
So
Iya.
$25 you can eat like 400 bagi 5. 8 porsi.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Itu dia, kamu di sini aja tinggalnya.
Iya, aku mau.
Kapan kamu tinggal di sini?
Inshallah. I actually want to live maybe in Indonesia like 3 months out of the year. Kalau di Amerika like winter, aku mau ke sini.
Supaya
Artinya apa?
biar you learn Indonesia, you figure out by yourself ya.
Yeah.
I won't help you.
Bro, speaking of, I'm learning every single day. Like when I did the speech at Beyond,
Yeah.
I just learned the word dari saudara aku, gokil.
Oh.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Crazy.
Ih, salah.
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 Artinya apa?
Gokil is goreng kikil.
Goreng. Fry what?
Kikil.
Kikil apa?
Kikil is like a chewy part on apa namanya?
On the knee?
Itu knuckle sapi.
Knuckles. Oh, the knuckle of a cow.
Iya.
Ooh.
Itu enak.
Oke.
Mau nyobain nggak?
Belum.
Mau nyobain nggak?
Mau?
Bener?
Yeah.
Iya.
Enggak.
Hah?
You don't like it? Kamu gak suka?
Aku suka banget kikil,
Okay.
tapi abis kikil sini kenceng, tau kenceng kan?
Iya, kenceng. It's stiff.
Iya, kayak di clinch.
Oh.
Iya.
It's good for me then. Good for me. Gotta practice the clinch.
BTW gimana Beyond 5 kemarin?
Bro, gokil.
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 What do you like about Beyond 5?
Man, I love you guys really do the drama and the entertainment so well, man. I've never seen anything like it. I was entertained the whole time. I saw you, man, that's what I ask you, man. You were entertained the whole time. You're going crazy the whole night, at least like 7 hours. So I want to ask, what's your routine? Kamu rutinnya apa? How do you stay so energized, man?
So every day, I pray.
Okay, that's good.
I pray to my God. I said, Tuhan kasih aku energi yang lebih. Supaya Bilal Hasan bisa nanya pas podcast nanti.
Passport?
Hah?
You said passport?
Roomingnya belum nyala ya?
belum.
No, aku nggak bilang pasport. Aku bilang tapi aku itu kelebihanku lah. Kamu tau kelebihan nggak?
Kelebihan like
kelebihan
more.
Like my strength.
Okay.
Is more energy in me than anybody else.
I love it. I love it. That's a
Orang
good mindset.
Orang bilang aku ADHD.
I definitely have ADHD.
Oh, you have?
For sure. That's why aku harus pakai kacamata. Karena like my eyes, if I'm just talking to you, my eyes are going like this, going. Oh. Yeah. So right now you think I'm looking at you, I'm looking like this.
Masa sih?
Yeah.
Gini-gini?
Yeah. Always looking. Yeah.
Ini mah bunglon dia ya.
Tapi like when I'm fighting and training, I love it so much. I'm super focused. Super focused. That's what people say with people with ADHD.
ADHD stands for attention deficit and hyperfocus deficiency. Ya kan?
Yeah, benar.
Disorder.
Benar.
Ya, aku dibilang punya ADHD tapi aku nggak percaya. Kamu?
You don't believe it?
I don't believe it. I don't believe on any. Salah nih gue kayaknya ngomong ini. Kalau di Amerika scene promotionnya tuh kayak apa sih?
Like the regional promotion?
Yeah.
It's kind of all the same. Like there's CFFC where I fight on UFC Fight Pass, and then there's the other big one is LFA. So CFFC is more East Coast, and then LFA is more like West Coast.
LFA singkatannya apa ya? Oh, what does it stand
Legacy Fighting Alliance.
Legacy Fighting Alliance.
But it's all kind of the same. It's all under the UFC. So it's at least I tell people like, American football, there's NFL and then there's like college football. So regional promotions for MMA, that's like the college.
So are they only join the UFC Fight Pass or the UFC bought?
I think the UFC bought them, is under them.
Okay. So is there any signs near that you will go to the UFC after this?
I cannot say too much, tapi inshallah tahun ini udah siap.
Damn!
Can't say too much, but tahun ini.
In what way?
I just can't say too much. I can't say when. It's not really decided yet. I can't really say, but
can
tahun
I
ini.
Guess?
Okay, yeah, guess.
Dana White Contender Series?
Oh, I can't say anything. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. No. Aku nggak bila.
Is it Noche?
I can't say anything. No, I can't say anything. Aku nggak bisa ngomong. Okay.
Is it tough? Yeah, it's tough.
No. Tough. So they already they offered me tough. So it's already done. So it was flyweight and I believe welterweight. So they actually offered me after my sixth fight, after the I'm Still Kasep. They offered me that. But they wanted me to go right after, the week after, fly to Vegas after I just fought. And then I got sick, and then business-wise and negotiation-wise, it wasn't the best deal. So we just wait. So right now, tahun ini. That's all I'm going to say.
Year?
Yeah, this year.
In this second half?
Aku gak bisa ngomong. Maaf.
Kemarin aja lu I'm Still Kasep sekarang. Okay. So this year you will okay.
Yeah, inshallah.
Seru sih. So what's your plan? So are you fighting in UFC like sekali atau 2 kali menurut kamu this year?
Inshallah 2 kali.
Berarti dekat dong. Ya.
Oh wait, this year ends pretty soon. 1 kali. It's just one.
Okay.
Just one.
aku search ada fakta yang menarik. Kamu tahu kalau aku ngomong gitu kamu ngerti gak?
Yeah, you have a fact that you pulled out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Katanya kamu pernah jadi promotor juga.
Iya bener.
Ih, apa
Yeah.
tuh coba explain dong.
Temen aku Eddie, when I was in high school, I would make people. I would have a garage
Yeah.
di bawah rumah aku. Terus I would have friends fight each other. Yeah. And so most of the time don't even know each other. Like after class, aku
But
bilang,
they do know you, right?
yeah, I said, you fight him. They're like, who's that? And I said, don't worry. don't worry. But you guys fight and we record it.
Do you pay them?
No. Everybody, that's the thing. Everybody in school, especially the boys, they always want to fight. So I said, why you guys trying, kenapa bertanding di sekolah? Rumah aku aja.
Oh, so you
Begitu.
do slaviator.
No, I'm just giving them what they want. A safer space. I have a mat. It's better than the hard floor. Safe. And then I'm the ref. I make them weigh in. Even if it's 20-pound difference, it's okay. Gak
Ini
apa-apa.
nyambung sama Coach Rudy nih.
Golden Boy.
Yeah, you know already Golden Boy.
Golden Boy. I love his content. Shout out Golden Boy.
Oh yeah. It's my om. You know om?
Like uncle?
Yeah.
Yeah, really? Benar.
Yeah, everybody is my om actually. Because I'm too young, you know, youngest. You know youngest.
Yeah. You're
Youngest,
the youngest.
ya bebek, ayam, youngest.
Bebek ayam.
Oh, enggak. Tetap gak nyambung ya. So,
How
kamu
old? Sorry. How old are you?
25.
No, benar.
Ih, bener.
Waduh, no, I did not know that.
So, how old are you?
23.
So, you are 2002.
One.
Oh,
2001.
2001. I am 99.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Well, I thought maybe you were like 29, 28.
Why?
But not too far off.
Why?
You're pretty mature. Very
Let's see.
Sometimes.
So, when are you seeing me as a mature man?
That's a good question. Now, probably never. Never mind.
Oh, lu balikin gua ya.
Never.
Oh, yeah.
But me too. I want to be a kid forever
Why?
because that's the best way to live. Carefree. But I'm slowly getting more mature. Slowly.
I same as you, but I wanna be caught because I want to swimming all the time.
You want to be a cod, like a fish?
Yeah, caught fish.
Ah.
Ini gue udah Seattle nih bercandanya. Nggak ngerti juga meset. So I have friends in Seattle.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
So dia sekolah di Indonesia for 1 year SMA, high school. So aku baru tahu faktanya bahwa sekolah di Indonesia itu when it convert by education credit, dia langsung kelas 3.
Oh, in America,
Yeah,
in Seattle.
Yeah. Langsung 12th grade. Dari 9 dia langsung 12th grade.
Oh yeah, beda.
Dari 10, dari 9 bener nih. Dari
he
9
went
dia
up
langsung
3
12th
grades.
grade. Iya.
Wow.
Gitu. Abis itu dia sekolah di NYFA, New York Film Academy.
Oh,
Iya,
it's a good
in
school.
LA. Iya, di Hollywood.
Wow.
Gitu. Sekarang dia tinggal di Finland.
Finland.
Iya.
Lagi ngapain dia?
Dia bikin short film di sana.
Oh, nice.
Tadinya dia
nice.
mau jadi director di sini, tapi dia kurang cocok sama environmentnya because in our film industry we have like zero time, pokoknya nggak ada jam kerja. Kamu tahu jam kerja?
Yeah, the time to work.
Yeah, we always work.
Never stop working. I love that.
Yes, yes. Biar lebih ke hemat. You know hemat?
Enggak.
To save cost.
Oh, to save cost.
Jadi
Okay.
lebih cepat syutingnya. So with work time, syuting misal jadi 3 bulan. You know 3
3
bulan?
months.
Ya, karena dikejar terus, dia jadi 2,5 bulan.
I see.
Kamu tahu 2,5 bulan?
2,5, 2.5.
Ih, pinter.
Yeah, learning. Selalu
Ya, ya, ya.
latihan.
Selalu latihan. Yaudah, sekarang kita no English ya.
No, shoot. Okay, aku coba.
Okay.
But no promises.
Oke, sekarang kamu
Udah English, maaf. I already broke the promise.
It's
Maaf.
okay. After you broke your promise 3 times, I broke your jaw, okay?
Oh no! Speaking of, you move really, really well, man.
Yeah.
I really, when I threw that spinning heel kick to you in the ring,
Yeah,
Awas kena.
I was like, I hope Celos move his head because I'm gonna throw it as hard as I can. And you move and you saw it, man. You used to box, huh? You used to box.
Yeah, I used to
you
box.
Look good.
Yeah. You know. Huh? Nggak usah. I have my first fight. And then you kan kasih I ini. I kasih you my belt. That
Oh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, that's sick.
So it was an influencer fight, but this is like beyond first generation belt.
For me.
Yeah.
Bener. Oh my gosh, man. Terima kasih banyak.
Kita tukeran.
Aduh.
Ini pakai kulit sapi.
Kulit sapi, skin of the cow.
Yeah.
Bro, hari ini juga aku baru, I just learned kulit means skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So kulit sapi kalau digoreng jadi kerupuk kulit, kamu tahu nggak?
Iya, baru makan sama si Eddie.
Kerupuk kulit.
Iya.
Kamu teman kamu yang datang sini siapa aja namanya?
Tunggu. Aku terlalu gede. Terlalu gede. Maaf. Terima kasih. Pas. I have to wear this everywhere now in Indonesia.
Bagus lah. Iya benar.
Ya, semua.
Keren kamu.
Iya.
Iya, orang lebih ngerti itu daripada ini.
Iya emang bro, emang.
Iya.
Semua orang di Indonesia tahu Beyond bro. It's awesome.
Iya, puji Tuhan lah. Karena apa ya?
They have a great promoter.
Ya, enggak sih, biasa aja.
Biasa aja.
You know, my strength in my promotion is my face, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very kaset.
Iya. Oh, aku mau nanya deh. Ini sekarang kita pakai bahasa Indonesia ya.
Indonesia,
Bahasa
yuk.
Sunda. Liar nanti siahan. Jadi gimana ceritanya kamu, keluarga kamu nih bisa tiba-tiba di Hawaii dan ngelahirin kamu gitu?
Keluarga aku ke college dulu di Australia. Terus aku nggak tahu keluarga aku ke Hawaii buat kayaknya ayah aku buat kerja apa sih, like a factory buat ikan dulu.
Codfish.
Iya, nggak ada cod di Hawaii.
Nggak ada cod.
Iya, ada namanya humu nuku apua, tahu gak?
Paling jatuh-jatuhnya ikan tongkol. Kamu tahu ikan tongkol nggak?
Enggak.
It's huhu nuku atu. That's tongkol.
It's the Hawaiian state fish.
Yeah,
It's
tongkol is a steak fish also.
Enggak.
Mau bet?
You're playing.
You wanna bet?
No way.
So, sama tongkol beda. It's
It sounds the same. The same.
It's an actual fish.
Let me see.
It's mackerel.
Oh, mackerel.
Ikan tongkol.
Okay. Yeah, I know.
So huhu nuku takutu. Itu apa?
It's the state fish of Hawaii. Humu nuku apua.
Is it
Bener.
tuna?
Tuna? Aku nggak tahu. Yeah, you have to look it up. It's gonna be tough to spell. Just look up Hawaiian state fish.
State.
Yeah, the state.
Not steak.
Not steak, like the state.
Hawaiian.
State
State
fish.
It's reef trigger fish.
Reef trigger fish.
Ini.
Yeah, real trigger fish. Yeah, I think so.
Oh iya. Oke. Terus papa kamu kerja di Hawaii buat budidaya ikan.
Yeah.
Oh.
Terus kita pindah ke Seattle when I was 10, when I was 10.
Seattle banyak orang Indonesia kan?
Lumayan.
Tapi kamu nggak temenan sama orang Indonesia?
Ada satu namanya Ahmad.
Aku udah pernah ngobrol sama Ahmad.
Yeah, Ahmad, super cool.
Iya. Terus kamu ke Indonesia sama siapa aja nama teman kamu?
Great Ebony Eddie sama
Great Ebony Eddie.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
You name him. So Great Ebony Eddie and
Gucci Aquaman.
ya, itu nickname PB ya.
Nickname Bebe?
PB is like
what?
an FPS online game. It's like
no,
a nickname.
It's
Jigs Pro. Nggak
dia
ngerti juga.
no. Dia he was a Navy Navy SEAL.
Gucci
but,
Aquaman.
So Aquaman dia bisa berenang so well. And he used to be a really good swimmer for the Navy, and he went to.
Gucci is a good.
Yeah, but they like him because he dressed nice, dressed cool. So we got Gucci, and then Gucci Aquaman. Yeah.
So Great Ebony. Is it that big?
No, he just dia suka cewek yang paling hitam. Yeah. But sekarang dia lagi cari cewek di Indonesia.
Oh.
Yeah, lihat bukannya kayak orang Indo.
Benar.
Yeah. Tapi he wants to get citizenship di sini.
Is it?
Yeah. Lagi cariin cewek.
You must marry one.
Yeah, benar.
I'm working on it now.
You must learn the Indonesian race.
Yes. Yeah, I was gonna ask you that next.
Okay,
Yeah,
what do
teach
you
him.
want to ask?
What's the Indonesian riz? What's the best thing for him to say?
Oke, apa namanya?
Where you going?
Nantilah.
Okay,
Nanti I'll teach him in the back because I don't want my jutsu to be learned.
Your craft, your art. Okay.
Very secret.
Okay.
Very secret.
Respect.
Itulah.
Yeah, people have to pay him for that. Yeah.
Ya, you know. Terus kamu abis ini berarti setiap 3 bulan sekali mau ke Indonesia? Oh enggak, every year you want 3 months here, every winter.
Yeah, every winter. I love it here, man. It's too much fun.
Kamu nggak mau buka gym di sini?
Yeah, nanti UFC dulu. Tapi insyaallah aku pengen satu gym here.
Oke.
Yeah.
Kamu mau satu gym yang kamu ngelatih gitu?
Like where I train?
No, you train people.
Oh yes, I love it. That's one thing that I do at home. I do a lot of coaching.
Oke,
So I love
berarti
it.
kamu UFC, aku nggak tahu ya. I hope you just bukan cuman touch 15 top 15, but I hope you gonna be the champion lah.
Me too,
Tapi
inshallah.
seberapa kamu pede? How confident are you?
Very confident, very confident, especially now. Like now that I have a whole nation behind me, it's like so much more motivation, man. Like seeing all the supporters at Beyond is just ignited a fire in me that I didn't know I have. So man, I love the Indonesian people, man. Like every single person that came up to me, I wanted to give them as much as I can, and so I love everyone. Aku cinta kalian semua.
Sekarang
favorite
ulang
thing
pakai
to
bahasa
say.
Indonesia.
Sekarang,
Iya.
only.
Yang
Only.
tadi ngomong pakai bahasa Indonesia ulang.
Susah. Okay. How do I say reignited? Aku nggak bisa, bro. Aku nggak bisa.
Gak bisa.
Sekarang motivasi aku lebih karena semua orang Indonesia dukung
kamu.
aku, right? Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes. Semua orang Indonesia dukung aku. Terima kasih banyak.
Asik.
Okay. I need to remember that.
So, kamu tuh, why do you want to represent Indonesia that much? So, kamu citizenship-nya di US apa enggak sih sebenarnya actually?
Ada.
Oke.
I don't know if I can say this.
You can say it.
Tapi sekarang aku juga citizen Indo. Hari ini kita udah. So dual citizenship.
Yeah!
Let's go!
So, kamu abis dari Kemenpora?
Bukan Kemenpora, aku nggak tahu. Tapi hari ini, this is what we did today. Where we got the picture, my eyes, the finger scan, udah. KTP, iya, udah.
Mana
Sudah.
KTP kamu?
Lagi nungguin, dia bilangin 3 jam. Yeah, 3 hours.
Yeah, congrats man. Proudly Indonesian.
Let's go. It feels
Yeah.
good,
Gimana prosesnya tiba-tiba kamu jadi Indonesian?
So actually, funny enough, my sister is playing main basket sama timnas Indonesia, mau main FIBA.
Damn.
Yeah, so dia udah citizenship, terus papa sama aku nggak tahu. But
So kamu bapak kesini?
iya, pertama papa sama adik aku kesini, buat itu. So I'm like, might as well, and it's around the 28th of Beyond, so it makes sense, right? It just flowed together. It made sense.
Iya, itu namanya jodoh. Kamu tau jodoh nggak?
Jodoh? Artinya
It's
apa?
fate.
Yeah, bener. It's meant to be. I feel it too. It's crazy.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
crazy.
yeah. So how does it feel? Like you're already in UFC, right? Ya dong.
Basically, yeah. That's the next. Well, that's what I can say is next fight UFC. Man, is that too much? Like next fight, okay.
It's not too much.
Next
It's
fight
not
is
that
UFC.
much. Apa sih ngomongnya? Jadi apa perasaan kamu gimana?
Like now, sekarang.
Yeah.
Almost like I was talking to Eddie about this. Like I'm still trying to like digest everything because everything is happening so fast. Like aku masih like super early in my career. Like menang kosong kalah, but it's like I'm still young and I feel like everything is happening so fast. Like what I envisioned when I was younger, I'm ahead of it. I'm ahead of schedule. So right now I'm just trying to slow it down, and I just want to get back to training. Like I said when I was at Beyond yesterday, it was just so much motivation to just get back to work. I miss training. So yeah.
Yeah. But perasaan itu kamu harus like don't try to slow it down because when God gives you like that kind of thing, berarti emang kamu udah ready.
Thank you.
Do not try to slow it down. Just enjoy. Enjoy every
Go
moment.
with it. Go with it.
Go with it. Jadi menurut aku kamu keren banget. Tepuk tangan dulu deh.
Wow. Kamu juga. Terima kasih.
Aku harap kamu bisa fokus di UFC. I hope you can rack up your wins, rack up a win streak. Aku harap kamu nggak perlu worry about losing. Karena buat aku, because of Khabib, because of Floyd Mayweather, everybody in combat sports maunya orang tuh bersih, punya a clean slate of record. But I think aku nggak, gimana ya? Karena kayak in Indonesia combat sport is like new. It's like 2 years now.
Yeah.
So everybody wants only support the winning one.
Yeah, emang. Yeah.
Jadi buat aku nggak tahu sih what kind of pressure yang ada di kepala kamu. I don't know. Ketika kamu masuk UFC, do you think that this is meant to be or like ternyata ada pressure juga gitu?
I always have pressure.
Okay.
Tapi like to go back, aku nggak takut kalau saya kalah.
Okay.
Like the way the first thing I did when I was younger, I did taekwondo.
Okay.
I competed for national team Timnas buat USA ke World Championship sama Pan America. I always lost, so I was never scared of losing. Tapi I just love the process. Like to get in the ring is cool, but it's the everyday training to be able to spread love and knowledge to like the people at the gym. I just love training, and then it just comes with it. Of course, is the fight. So I love everything about it. I don't define myself by the win or the loss. It's just the journey, man. The journey every single day. It's amazing. Alhamdulillah, man. I love every second. I'm incredibly blessed, man.
Bagus. Aku seneng sih kamu punya mindset itu karena menurutku that's rare. Itu jarang banget. Terus aku mau tanya, what's the difference between like US athletes in combat sport with Indonesians?
Like you said, it's the mindset. Mindsetnya beda. So I think also there's a little bit more like people that are more knowledgeable, right? Because in the US, there's a lot of people that come from like, example, like Jiu-Jitsu Brazil.
Yeah.
There's like people from all the way around. So it's like a lot of people come in and it's like a melting pot.
Yeah.
I don't want to say this, but like in Indonesia, there's no one yet like except Jekka, you know what I mean, that got into the UFC, and what he's done is absolutely incredible, man.
Yeah.
He's amazing. Tapi even before Jekka, I can't think of really anyone else. Maybe like a couple guys that won championship, like Adrian, Matthias, a couple other guys, but no one who really made it big. So no one was there to lead the way, right? And so that's ultimately one of my other goals as well, is to lead the way for, you know, the Indonesian athletes, because everyone here, man, the amount of resources we have in Indonesia is incredible. And I've been saying this, especially to Eddie, this was probably like a year or two ago, but I think we're the 4th most populated country in the world. It's crazy, man. The amount, and you guys are all diehard fans. So yeah, I think hopefully, inshallah, I can lead the way and just bring more, more knowledge about MMA to Indonesia.
Okay, so what your long run goal?
Long run.
Yeah, you're already in the UFC, man.
UFC champion dulu. Inshallah, 5 tahun
Amin.
lagi UFC champion. Terus maybe defend the belt a couple times. And then after that, retire. Because I already do a lot of coaching at my gym. And I love going out with people, especially when they're about to walk out for the fight and being there with them. Because I know what it's like to be in the ring. And one thing I really, really take pride in myself is my mindset. And so I definitely want to do that and just that's the thing, man. Martial arts is my passion, right? And so I can do this forever. And I know that I can't fight forever. So I know I can put my energy into other things. So inshallah, abis UFC champion, terus bikin coach di Indonesia, bikin
Benar, di
sekolah
Indonesia,
gede.
janji
Benar.
ya.
Of course, man, of course.
Oke,
Let's
tepuk
go.
tangan.
Siap.
So the one thing that I want to build in Indonesia also is have the mindset of each one teach one. So that's rare because we have that kind of it's famously said we have the crab mentality, you know. If you punya ember, kamu tau ember?
Enggak.
Yeah,
Bucket,
a water bucket full of crab. If there is one crab that want to crawl outside of the bucket,
Needs enough.
ya dia ambil lagi, jangan keluar gitu.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing, a quote that I really like, I think Michael Chandler said this. If you want to get anywhere in life, you have to help other people get where they want in life.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I think I said this. I forgot. I think someone from Beyond did a little interview with me. But they're like, what's one thing you want to say to like someone that wants to get into your position? And I said, you have to surround yourself with good people. Right? No one man has done it alone.
Yeah.
Right? You have to have a team. And so that comes from within. You have to be the best version of yourself that you can first. And what you project is what you attract.
So, okay.
I can't say that in Bahasa, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna learn.
Yeah. Oke, aku lihat kamu sering baca buku. Aku juga, tapi
Let's
baru in these 2 years lah aku baru baca buku. What's your favorite book?
The Creative Act by Rick Rubin. I think you would really like it. The Creative Act, tahu gak?
He told me to read that.
Really, really good, especially with what you do too. Because we're
Okay.
all like, basically what you're doing and I'm doing, we're both artists.
Yeah.
We're trying to create something new. You're trying to make an impact in this world. I feel like
yeah.
everyone has their own, personality and they can contribute to the world and make an impact. So that book really just helped me just like hone in what I bring into the world and how to make that the best that it can be. And so you would love it. My favorite book, Creative Act, Rick Rubin.
I've fast read it in the in the bookstore, but yeah, maybe after this I'll buy it.
Let's go. You have to.
Yeah.
Harus.
What's the other book? Ada berapa? Ada yang lain nggak?
Anything else?
Give me 3.
Three,
You have told me one.
Aku lupa namanya. Yeah, nanti if I remember I'll tell you.
Oke.
But I forgot right
Bilal
now.
Hasan top 1000 kita tunggu ya.
Iya, oke.
Oke. Biar kita masih di topik ini, I'll give you my best 3, okay?
Okay, siap.
My best 3, number 1, number 3 first. Number 3 is Winner Effect. You know,
Winner Effect.
Yeah. Have you read it?
No, belum. Okay.
So Winner Effect itu dia jelasin bahwa he explained the psychology of winning and learning from losing.
I love that.
So when Mike Tyson first lost, what Don King do is kasih dia lawan yang mudah supaya dia pikir dia kuat, and then baru dia lawan yang kuat, baru
Okay.
dia lawan Larry Holmes. Lawan Larry Holmes nggak ya? Ya pokoknya gitulah.
Okay.
Itu yang ketiga. Terus yang kedua itu it is my first book. Dia yang beliin aku. He's my producer. Itu Among Who Sold His Ferrari.
Yeah, I have never heard of it.
It's about stoicism.
Oh, I love stoicism. Yeah.
Nah, the first one is Atomic Habits.
Oh, that's in my top 3 too. Let's go. I love that one. I love that
sekarang
one. Yeah.
kasih top 3 kamu.
Okay, Atomic Habits harus Creative Act terus nomor 3 It Takes What It Takes dari the coach of Russell Wilson. Tahu gak Russell Wilson? Dia American football. He's the best in Seattle for Seattle Seahawks.
Okay,
so
okay.
yeah, it takes what it takes.
Okay.
It takes what it takes.
Ya, mantap. Terus kamu ada hobi lain nggak di luar combat sport? Kamu ada hobi lain nggak? What's your other hobby other than training?
To be honest, not really, man. I love everything about it, but I really love, inshallah, one day I really like fashion. I really like fashion. So, tahu gak brandnya Kill Crew?
Kill Crew.
Yeah, it's like a streetwear.
What is it?
Streetwear, but it has a kind of like street and fight wear. Yeah, so I really like the combination with like the fighting namanya aesthetic, the fighting aesthetic with combined with like
It's like full violence.
yeah, full violence, yeah,
Oh,
full violence.
santai.
Yeah.
You know RT merch? You know RT merch?
RT enggak.
Radio Tempur merch.
Oh, is that what he's wearing right there? Is
Yeah.
sick. Asik banget, bro. Asik.
Oh, BTW, aku mau kasih kamu juga kaos Bion.
Harus, terima kasih
Mana
banyak.
ada? Coba ambil dulu. Aku kasih kamu kaos Bion.
Yeah.
Ada Bion 3, Bion 4, sama Bion yang logo.
Let's go.
Asik.
Terima
Mantap
kasih.
ya. Terus apalagi yang kamu lihat nih di scene Indonesia, apalagi yang kamu pikir bisa explore? So, kamu bilang kan kita punya resource yang banyak. Selain populasi, apa yang kamu lihat?
In the population,
Iya, other than the population.
I love the culture, man.
Okay.
Everyone here is where I live, it's so hard to talk. Nggak bisa ngomong sama kalau like stranger.
Okay.
Susah karena everyone there is to themselves. Tapi sini it's like a city that never sleeps. People are always doing something, and everyone's super friendly, man. I really love it here.
Do you think is it more busy in Seattle or in Jakarta?
Jakarta, bro. The trafficnya gokil banget, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy. I could never drive here. I'd go crazy.
The one thing that I want to tell to Indonesians is I've been to UK, I've been to US, I've been to Japan, and I've been to Singapore. Everybody in Indonesia told me when I was a kid that they are more busy than us. But actually Indonesian itu kerjanya gila banget.
Iya, emang.
Indonesian tuh kerjanya gila banget. I haven't seen anyone that work as fast and as busy as Indonesians.
Yeah, there's so many. Ada banyak restaurant buka 24 hours.
Yeah.
So crazy.
Jadi buat kalian semua yang di rumah, so the one thing that I hate about Indonesian mindset is they thought mereka pikir mereka itu negara bagian ketiga, but I don't think that way. Because you know, aku pertama kali buka pay-per-view di Beyond, right? In Asia, there is no other country other than Japan yang bisa jual pay-per-view. And then setauku, it's never exceed 100,000.
Wow.
So when Beyond pay-per-view debuted, it goes to 300,000.
Wow.
The second one 400,000. The third one kemarin itu 536,000.
Wow.
Yeah,
Let's
gimana?
go.
So
500,000,
yeah,
right?
it's like pay-per-view.
Wow.
It's like UFC pay-per-view card. But memang masih murah. Tapi aku cuman mau bilang bahwa aku juga kan akhirnya ketemu representative from WBA, WBC. They thought mereka dari Korea, mereka dari Thailand. Mereka bilang memang sebenarnya mereka juga merasa aneh kenapa dari dulu tuh. So Southeast Asia have 600,000 people. Tapi nggak ada yang pernah mau mulai pay-per-view. Menurutku tuh bukan karena mereka takut mulai, tapi mereka pikir we're not like Americans. It's just like that.
I see.
It's just like a tiny switch.
Yeah. I feel like almost like a self-limiting belief,
Yeah,
like a
yeah,
limit.
yeah.
I see. Like you can't shoot for the stars.
Yeah. But actually kita sebenarnya bisa bikin semua yang Americans do gitu loh.
I think maybe inshallah even better, man. I believe it.
Keren.
I believe it.
Karena menurutku so yang kayak kamu bilang memang butuh banyak banget actually in this generation also buat buktiin bahwa other than leading the way but come go this way gitu loh.
Yeah, like I tell what we have in our gym, we have a saying, the blueprint is already out there.
Yeah.
Like especially nowadays, like with the internet, it's all out there. It's just up to who is going to follow it, who's going to put in the work, but also believe in the work as well. Because it's one thing to just keep on working hard, but if you don't believe in it, and then you have other people that believe in it as well, that is incredibly powerful. Incredibly powerful. And so, yeah.
Di Indonesia mereka banyak orang yang punya mindset gini. Jangan kerja keras, kerja pinter.
I like that. Don't work hard, work smart.
Tak, karena kuli juga kerja keras. Kamu tahu kuli nggak?
Enggak.
Orang yang bangun rumah, we call it kuli.
The one who wake up
Wake up home.
Wake up home. I was like,
Enggak, no. Bangun rumah, build home.
Oh,
Itu dibilang kuli.
Okay.
Tapi aku nggak percaya karena buat aku, I have that one saying, it's Chinese saying actually, find quality in quantity.
Oh, I like that. I really like that.
So don't aim for quality, aim for quantity, and then learn from it.
I love that. Aku harus tulis di journal aku. I
Itu.
like that a lot.
That's why sekarang BYD, kamu tau BYD nggak? It's
enggak.
Chinese car company. Udah
Oh,
kalah.
BYD.
Ya, BYD.
Oh iya, ada banyak di sini. Enggak ada di Amerika.
Iya,
Not
itu
one.
udah ngalahin salesnya Tesla.
Oh ya emang ya bapak aku bilangin aku.
Iya bener, karena itu Cina sekarang udah lebih canggih daripada Americans karena they find quality in quantity.
Gotcha, ya.
Itulah.
Ngerti.
Jadi makanya kayak terlalu banyak orang aim for perfection. Don't aim for perfection. Jadi aim to make. Jadi aim buat bikin gitu loh.
Yeah,
Instead of
ngerti,
kamu pikir and then no action.
Yes. Nothing is better than the work.
Itu betul. Jadi kamu before your career ends, kamu mau berapa fight?
Oh, that's a good question. Boleh. Sekarang aku lagi aku pengen 30.
30.
Ya.
Oke.
Yeah. Insyaallah.
30-0 biar ngalahin Khabib. Ada
Coba.
kesitunya kan?
Iya. Coba. I'll try.
So do you aim for UFC flyweight champion or the best of all time?
To be honest, bro, UFC flyweight champion dulu. Tapi when I die, I just want the coolest highlight reel, man. That's to be honest. Like I said it, I think my 5th pro fight, aku bilangin like yang belt ini bukan buat aku, like buat Indonesia. So and plus now aku ada 3, so I need to give you I need to give you one.
So when you go ketika kamu jadi UFC flyweight champion ini mahal nanti.
Yeah, insyaallah.
It will be in my memorabilia. Aku mau bikin museum, itu cita-citaku.
Let's go. Perfect.
Nanti isinya kolor aku. Kolor kaos kaki. Ini kaos kaki pas lagi Beyond 5 gitu.
It has to be dirty. Kotor.
Iya, kalau bisa diludahin, dimuntahin, dikencingin sekali. Jadi iya, biar ada jamurnya.
Jamur apa artinya?
Jamur itu mushroom.
Mushroom? Oke.
Kamu iya kan kalau lembab muncul jamur. Di sana nggak ada jamur ya?
There's no mushrooms?
Iya.
Ada?
Iya. Mushroom. Kamu suka mushroom?
Nah, aku nggak suka.
Kenapa?
I don't like the taste. Aku nggak suka rasanya.
Kenapa?
Aku cuma suka daging, protein.
Oh, daging kamu sukanya daging ayam apa daging sapi?
Sapi harus.
Kenapa?
Aku suka rasanya tapi ada banyak
BCAA.
BCAA, yeah, more minerals, better for you, yeah. And I just feel good after eating.
Tapi aku lihat kamu bilang kamu nggak pernah lihat macronutrients.
Yeah, hell no.
Why?
No.
You don't want to think when you eat.
Yeah,
right?
just makan aja. Yeah, but if I just learned from experience. If I eat it and I don't feel good, then I don't eat it again. If I eat it and I feel good, then I just keep eating it.
Iya. Kalau aku lebih suka ayam, ikan. Kamu lebih suka ikan apa sapi?
Sapi. Sapi nomor 1.
Sapi nomor 1.
Yeah.
Kamu suka sama sapi?
Yeah, I love
Nikah sama sapi mau?
Ikan sama sapi?
Nikah sama sapi mau?
Don't want to marry a cow?
Iya.
Boleh.
Ntar kita lihat ada peranakan monyet sama sapi. Okay, so I want to talk about your monkey thing, okay? Why you call yourself a monkey? Because me in high school I also call myself a monkey.
Let's go. Funny enough, bapak aku pernah ada pet monkey when he was little. Namanya Samson. He would always tell me that story when I was younger. And like the evolution
So
of...
have you lived in Jakarta?
Not live, only visit. I haven't been back in 8 years. Last time I was here was 2017.
Kamu masih kecil itu ya?
Iya, masih
belum
kecil.
mulet ya?
Belum.
Kenapa kamu mulet?
I don't know. I think it fits my head shape. I don't know. I like it. And when I fight and I spin, aku suka spin. I did it to you twice. I like kalau bikin foto rambut aku.
Yeah. Just
Keren.
a monkey with a plan.
Like, I'll explain it a little bit more. It's like I don't try to take myself too seriously.
Okay.
And that's also one of the things I really take pride in my mindset when I step in the cage. It's not really that serious. It's just me and another guy fighting in our underwear. You know, there's people out there in war trying to survive. Why am I putting so much pressure on myself? It's a privilege to be in that spotlight. Why put, you know, all these negative thoughts in my head? I'm doing what I love. You know what I mean? It's not that serious. So, and there's a bunch of, you know, billions of people in the world that also have a plan. And so it's not really that serious at the end of the day. So that's my mind.
Kamu ngomong gitu aku jadi ingat ada satu buku namanya Champion Thinking.
Champion Thinking.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, I've heard that. Yeah.
Dan apa yang kamu bilang itu ada di buku itu. Jadi,
oh, really?
Bener, aku juga ngerasa gitu. Jadi, so everybody told me like, you're Dana White Jr. What you have done is like Dana White. No. Call Dana White Selo Senior. Dia aja kecepatan lahirnya.
He was born quicker.
Iya. Itu dia.
Selo, seriously, you are your own. You are your own. I've never seen anything like it, man. That was one when I saw you ringside, I was telling these guys, I'm like, man, this guy is crazy. Every single fight, so much energy, and I can tell that it's your passion. You know what I mean? I don't want to say anything to Dana White. He's gonna be my boss someday. I don't want to speak anything.
I love like so I always looking for a role model, right? So there is so many like CEOs / a businessman in this world. Kita lihat ada Elon Musk, kita lihat Jeff Bezos, kita lihat Mark Zuckerberg and things and that. Tapi aku paling relate sama Dana White bukan karena aku punya promotion, tapi I think I was like him when I was younger. Karena aku aslinya sombong.
Yeah, harus
sombong.
Yeah.
Kenapa harus sombong?
Sombong means like was that cocky? No, like overconfident, like that.
Yeah, like that.
Like overconfident. I feel like you have to, but I say it like a delusion. You have to be a little bit crazy.
Yeah.
A little bit crazy, but you also have to like, I call it too like fake it to believe it too. So it's like, you have to be a little bit crazy at first, but you also have to have a balance of humbleness because it's not an easy road.
That's what is right. But aku sombongnya dulu, I don't see people, you know. When I see people, kamu lebih bodoh dari aku gitu dulu. Jadi itu aslinya aku. Hah?
Yeah, me too.
Oh, kamu juga gitu?
Yeah.
Damn. Why you think like that?
I don't know. I loved movies when I was younger. Aku senang film. So I always believed that I could be that person in the movie. Okay, funny story. My first ever competition was in Taekwondo. And it was like a home tournament. So it was everybody in my school. And my first 2 matches, I was only like 5 years old, was against 2 girls.
Okay.
2 cewek. Aku kalah, both of them. Tapi the next week, another tournament. Aku nonton Karate Kid.
Okay.
Karate Kid 1. Terus aku lihat Daniel LaRusso. He lost the first match. The second one, he win. He take an angle. Someone comes forward, he take an angle, he step out, and he threw a kick. Terus the next week, I was like, I'm just going to do that. I'm going to do that. And then I did it the next week. Same exact thing. I step out to the side angle. I hit him to the body, and I won. And I was like, holy sh! I just did that like in the movie. I just did like... So why can't that be me? So ever since I was young, I just believed that I was the main character. Even when I step in the room, I'm thinking, I'm him. These guys are just NPC. Tahu gak NPC? Tahu gak NPC?
Tahu, non-playable character.
Yeah. So it's like, I'm player 1. I always believed that I was the main character. So I don't know. I was a little delusional. I still am, but have to be. Harus sedikit delusional. Kamu, why did you think semua orang bodoh? Dulu.
I don't know. So I'm blessed. Aku dari kecil aku tahu aku pinter.
You knew you were smart when you were
young.
Yeah,
aku tahu aku pinter. Terus so aku rasa aku nggak lahir jadi fighter, tapi so in Indonesia, especially Jakarta, in the suburb yang di pinggir-pinggir, it's not easy being Chinese and Christian. It's not easy. So
Oh, so you're half Chinese?
I'm Chinese and Manado.
Kamu
Kamu kan Sunda Padang kan?
Yeah, benar.
Kamu
I might have screwed that up. So
Jadi kamu bukan Padang.
bukan.
That's why kamu nggak sebut kemarin.
What does that mean? Semput.
Karena nggak you not say what you asked me.
Yeah, tapi aku juga
You
like
said to
I
me,
also forgot. Aku lupa.
I
Maaf.
need new catchphrase gitu.
Aku lupa. Tapi ya bapak aku dari Jakarta.
So
what is that?
Betawi.
Betawi, ya, benar. Maaf.
So if you Betawi kamu ada Chinese juga pasti.
Pasti harus. Iya. We're brothers, bro.
Chinese power, bro. Iya, aku tahu aku pinter. So it's rare also kalau orang tahu dia pinter. Jadi aku ada lihat orang pinter, tapi aku tahu dia nggak tahu kalau dia pinter.
Yeah.
You can see
ngerti,
that also,
ngerti.
right?
Yeah, ngerti.
Berarti kamu ADHD, you don't have any hobby outside fighting. Terus kamu mau jadi world champion, so what else? What's the plan of your relationship? Kamu punya pacar kan? Berapa tahun?
Punya 8 tahun.
Damn.
Yeah. Ya, dia sama aku timnas US buat taekwondo. Yeah. So she's been there since the beginning. So she understands everything. But right now it's so new because baru. Tapi karena.
So are you comfortable?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
It's good. Yeah. So this is so new. Like the fame, like a little bit of fame. A little bit of fame. We're both like learning, lagi belajar. Gimana, like how do we navigate through it? So it's all new, but yeah, udah 8 tahun. Yeah.
So, mau tepuk tangan lu. Ya, gila 8 tahun. Aku pacaran 7 tahun nikah.
7 tahun. Yeah, baru congratulations.
Iya, aku baru nikah.
Yeah,
Coba kamu datang pas aku nikah. Tapi itu sih
crazy.
keramen. Hah?
You've been crazy.
Itu so what I've been planning, I want to have a private ride. I want to invite 50 people only. Tapi along the way we change plan. Yang diundang 1.400.
1,400, 140. Oh, 1,000?
1,400 ya.
People at the wedding?
Iya.
Wow, dude, that's crazy.
Iya.
It's a pay-per-view. Pay-per-view wedding.
Iya, bukan pay-per-view sih. Tapi ya itu, aku juga kaget sih.
Wow, that's crazy,
Iya,
man.
1.400. Aku juga nggak nyangka.
Di mana? Where was it?
In Jakarta.
Jakarta?
Sheraton ya.
Aduh.
Iya. BTW, katanya kamu pernah fight, your fastest fight is 7 seconds.
Ya, bener.
Gimana itu? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
And it was done.
Yeah, that's a long story, man. But I fought for a regional, not even a regional, super local promotion.
Okay.
And funny enough, so I had a 2-fight contract. The first fight, me and this guy, I went up to 135 pounds, so bantamweight.
Okay.
And then this guy doesn't have the best record. He comes from doesn't have the best record. So we show up day before I weigh in, he weighs in. The next day, fight day, we see each other kind of just around the arena. And then we're getting ready. It's already 2 fights before mine. I'm already wrapped up. Udah siap, right? Udah hit pads begitu. Terus ada orang bilangin, dia lagi sakit. Dia nggak bisa bertanding. Waduh. So, day of fight. Udah. Terus, 2 months after that, aku bertanding lagi. Tapi sama. Ini orangnya like a little bit crazy. Doesn't have the best record too, right? And then so, okay, this is gonna go crazy. It's gonna be kind of long. Funny enough, 2 weeks before, teman aku Gucci Aquaman, dia lagi clubbing di Seattle. Terus ada orang di club itu, dia lagi sell tiketnya. Dia bilangin, aku bertanding this date, right? My friend bilangin, oh let me see. Terus dia show. Waduh, that's my friend. Itu teman aku. Okay. So the guy that I was supposed to fight 2 weeks before was going clubbing.
So Gucci Aquaman is a fighter too?
Oh, Gucci Aquaman is very good fighter. Very good. Masih amateur. Kayaknya 4 menang 1 kalah.
Okay.
Eddie Great Ebony juga fighter too. So, one fight, 1 win, 0 loss. Yeah.
Damn.
Really good, man.
You have the same record as me.
Let's go. Let's go. But same record in what, MMA or boxing?
Boxing.
Okay, that's still good. Still good experience. I think. Sorry to get off track, but every man should fight at least once. You can learn so much in life about it. Yeah,
betul.
Harus.
Betul.
Every man.
Lanjut.
Oh, I keep going?
Yeah.
Okay, where was I? Yeah, so he said, oh, that's my friend. And he's like, okay. And then he buy a ticket from him. He felt bad. Kasian.
Okay.
So now comes the day of the fight. The day before we weigh in. The next day, ready for fight. Same thing, right? And this was 2 months after the guy that pulled out the day of the fight. So 2 months after. Luckily, alhamdulillah, we get out to the cage. And then they announce us. They say, go. And then I get out there, I'm standing southpaw. Aku fake sedikit, fake. Terus aku, apa sih? How do you say kick again? Kick.
Tendang.
Tendang. Aku tendang pakai kiri kaki. I hit him. Aku pikir I hit him in the leg, right?
Kamu
But I actually hit him in the in the shit. God, now sekarang aku ngerti. Dia bilangin apa sih yang nasi itu namanya? Bacang kontol.
It's bacang koncol.
God.
Kalau ikan tongkol. Lain.
Sounds the same. Maaf guys. Aku pikir kamu bercanda. Okay.
If people are pissed, we said it dongkol.
Dongkol. God.
Dongkol.
It's too similar.
It's okay. It's like bite and write.
Oh yeah, benar. Yeah.
It's like it's just rhymes.
Okay,
Kalau nggak ada yang rhymes, there is no rapper in Indonesia.
Oh iya, benar.
Benar. Kamu bisa nge-rap gak? Yes, you can.
No, kita sama Great Ebony bercanda aja freestyle.
Kamu punya lagu kan? Oke, freestyle ya.
Aku nggak bisa.
Kasih beat.
No. Yeah, I'm with Celos to the left with all the boys doing our best. You know what? We in the studio, doing a pod, rapping so long. That's it. Terima kasih. You. Harus. In English or bahasa?
What do you want?
Oh, bahasa.
Okay.
Okay.
Impact Driven Legacy. Yeah. Tadi pagi aku makan nasi basi, perut gak enak. Aduh, sukanya aku makan nasi pakai
apa?
Susu ASI.
Susu.
Kamu tahu susu ASI?
Enggak, aku tahu susu, milk.
That's what you drink from your mother. Susu ASI.
Breast milk.
Yeah.
Gokil.
Makan nasi sama susu ASI di Bekasi sama Bilal Hasan gak sih? Ya, bukan main-main. Ini rapper Bekasi. Bukannya piketi pakali tuketan. Nah, hunuhu kata katukuta.
Waduh. Man. Very, very talented.
Yeah.
Man of many traits.
Yeah. You know, people used to call me, Django Unchained.
Oh, aku lupa namanya.
Ya, aku juga lupa. Jamie Foxx.
Oh iya, bro.
Ya, itu orang baru semua
okay.
bisa.
Yeah.
Jamie Foxx, Will Smith.
Will Smith. Yeah,
Will
benar.
Smith.
He can rap, he can act.
Chris Brown. They are on the same league.
Benar. Yeah.
Iya. Kamu ada favorite artis gak?
Artis buat musik.
Iya.
Aku suka harus Michael Jackson, bro.
Hey,
Nomor 1.
I start dance, so I was a dancer.
Bro, I can tell, bro. I lost the dance battle.
Iya, kamu 7-1 sama.
Yeah. And I lost the rap battle too, I have to admit. I lost. Aku kalah lagi.
Itu lebih karena kamu gak ngerti aja sih.
Yeah.
Ya,
Give me 2-3 years.
Okay.
I win.
2-3 years?
2-3 years, yeah.
I will already be the GOAT, man.
Shit. Okay, respect.
Pertanyaan. Ya ini yang deketin dong.
Okay, harus air putih dulu.
Karena?
Hydrated. Hydrate.
You like hydrated?
Harus, ya.
I don't like it.
Kenapa?
Karena makin kering, aku makin hungry.
Okay.
One trick.
Okay.
When I have a tough meeting, or I'll have like tough meeting lah. Every tough meeting, I don't eat and I don't drink.
I see.
So I'm hungry.
Yeah.
When I'm hungry, I'm sharp. Aku puasa.
Primal.
Iya, I'm primal. You can see kan?
I see it. Waduh.
You see my prank?
Yeah. Waduh.
Mike Tyson?
Oh, you're gonna bite the ear.
No, he learned from me.
I see it.
Why?
Yeah. Muka kamu kayak Mike Tyson.
Masa
Benar.
sih?
Iya.
Kamu tahu Saitama gak?
Saitama.
Do you watch anime?
No, sama. Like I can't. Aku nggak bisa nonton cartoon, bro.
It's not cartoon, it's anime.
Shit. Maaf. Ya, aku
You will love. So when you think you're like you can do anything like in the movie, when you watch anime, bro, it will elevate the level of your delusion.
Maybe semua teman aku suka Dragon Ball Z kayak gitu.
Okay.
So they all tell me, but I try. Aku coba.
Dragon Ball is the father.
Oh.
But now so you like the zero to hero thing, right? You like Karate Kid. What else? What else? Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. I love Spider-Man. Terus apa sih? Yeah, that's about it. Karate Kid, Spider-Man. Cuman itu. Pirates of the Caribbean. Jack Sparrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Terus apa lagi?
Apa lagi sih?
Top 5 movies of all time Bilal ala Kai Hasan.
Okay. Harus Rush Hour. Jackie Chan.
Number
sama.
1 or number 5?
I don't
number
know.
5.
No order. No order.
Top 5 no order.
Okay. Fine. Top 5. 5 Rush Hour boleh.
Okay, 5 is Rush
Hour.
Terus. Which one?
All. Semua. But tapi I like the first one. Harus. The first one.
The first one or the third one?
You put me on the spot, man. I already forgot kinda.
The first one, I think.
Which one?
The first one is me, you. Who, me, you.
Yeah.
That's the first one.
Which was the one where the anak kecil yang nyanyi I walk by every night talking sweet and looking fine.
Itu yang kedua apa yang ketiga?
First one. Yeah, first one.
Okay, the 5 is Rush Hour 1. Okay. Top 4.
4. Aku suka Harry Potter.
Okay, all series.
All the whole thing.
Okay. Who's your favorite character?
Has to be Harry Potter. Main character, man. Yeah.
Okay.
Harry Potter, terus Pirates of the Caribbean.
Jack Sparrow.
Terus ada tuh lagi. What else? What do I like, Eddie? You know what I like. Huh? Yeah, I don't really know. Star Wars, whatever. Sorry, maaf.
It's okay.
Raid.
The Raid?
The Raid.
The first one or the second one? One, two, three.
First one,
okay.
bro. Okay. Dude. We watched that not too long ago. Is the best. Oh, the action.
Who's your favorite character? I've meet all the... so, aku deket sama Bang Iko.
Iko, harus. Yeah.
Karena kamu benar-benar tergila-gila sama first main karakter ya?
Bener.
Kamu lebih suka Iko apa Mad Dog?
Oh, Mad Dog is a sick character. I have to say Iko.
Okay.
Yeah, Iko. Nomor 1 Karate Kid. Harus.
Okay.
Karate Kid.
Okay.
Kamu?
Okay, top 5
ya? Siap.
Top 5 movie of all time. I like the zero to hero thing, so I like business movies.
Okay.
Like dokumenter, tapi nomor 5 aku of all time ya. Oke, of all time aku harus taruh Guardians of the Galaxy All.
Woo, it's a good movie. Yeah.
And number
aku suka
5.
soundtracknya. My favorite 80s.
Yeah.
80s.
Number 4 is Black Panther.
Oh yeah, it's good.
The first one.
Yeah.
I always, it's like, aku selalu merasa ketika aku direndahin, it's like, jedaka. T'Challa. As you can see, I am not dead. I always love that scene.
Oh yeah.
Because,
okay, I remember. Yeah.
That's the 4th. Terus yang ketiga yang paling aku suka itu adalah Air. Have you watched Air?
No.
Air.
Oh, yang Nike.
Nike. Air. About Jordan.
Tapi aku belum nonton.
Kamu harus nonton.
Ya, aku pengen.
Air is the third one. Nomor 2 itu film yang paling aku suka adalah Tetris.
Ya itu the game, right?
Yeah, it's
okay.
about the game. The first one of all time, film yang paling aku suka adalah Gran Turismo.
Gran Turismo. Oh, aku nggak nonton. So
Kamu harus nonton.
harus Gran
Kamu harus
Turismo.
nonton.
Oke, siap.
I always love to watch movies that is promoting dream believing. Itu aku suka banget. Jadi aku merasa kayak gitu juga jadinya.
Yeah.
Kamu harus nonton anime, kamu harus nonton My Hero Academia.
No, bro, that's bercanda. I've seen that on like the trailer on Netflix. The trailer.
Kamu gak suka?
Enggak.
Itu gak bercanda loh.
Nah.
Ini loh.
Iya, benar.
Iya nih, My Hero Academia.
Maybe.
Oke lah kalau gitu sih. Terus apalagi ya? Oke, so you like to love. I used to mau jadi filmmaker tahu.
Oh, I see it.
Why?
You like creating something. Like I said before, like everyone's made to create something. But I see you have like really good vision, and you see where like you can put your thoughts and your creativeness into. So I can see you making something like filmmaking.
Kamu nggak ngerasa kayak gitu? Ketika when you think, don't you think that the thing in your head itu bisa come to life? Kamu mikir gitu juga gak?
Yeah, harus. Yeah, for sure. Actually, funny enough, I wanted to be my first ever. I told Eddie I wanted to be a stuntman. I love movies. That's why I love movies. And when I did taekwondo, ada tahu demonstrasi taekwondo.
Yeah.
Terus ada like kayak choreography.
Yeah.
Terus breaking the boards kayak gitu. I love doing that. So I love show. That's why, you know what's funny enough? The ring, when we did it in the ring, when we did that, it was like choreographed. Yeah, but not really. You did a great job. That was fun.
Oke. Berarti kamu sekarang YouTube seneng banget dong ya?
Senang, yeah. I used to make YouTube videos when I was younger, bikin like kayak skit kayak gitu. Tapi
what do you watch? 1, 2, 3. I think we watch the same thing.
No, I don't think so. Sekarang aku nggak nonton skit lagi.
Yang dulu.
Oh, no.
Please give me a good one.
Yeah. Aku lupa.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Ryan Higa. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm pumped.
Me too. Let's go.
So, flashback to your vlogs when I told like I've been live in America 2 years ya on YouTube. Nah itulah ketika aku hidup di Amerika. Aku hidup sama Ryan Higa and Smosh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Smosh, ya. Aku juga.
Okay, top 3 YouTubers.
Okay. Oh, in order.
You must be in order. It's top 3 of all time.
Of all time. Sekarang aku selalu nonton. Like now it's a lot more MMA. So maybe.
Yeah, MMA kan bukan YouTuber.
Oh iya, emang. 3.
After this we'll go to your top 3.
Okay.
MMA, okay?
Tapi YouTuber.
Ini YouTuber dulu.
Okay. Nomor 3 harus siapa sih? Saya seneng like back then like a fashion like sneaker like
Paul Cantu.
Do
you watch?
I know. Yeah, I know Paul Cantu. Thrift. Yeah.
So when you say Gucci Aquaman, I thought.
Oh, yeah. He used to say
you
that.
look Gucci.
Yeah.
I learned from him.
Oh,
yeah.
Kayak gitu. Okay. Yeah, Paul Cantu. Yeah, I used to watch that all the time. Tapi nomor 3 namanya Richie Lee. Tahu gak?
Richie Lee is his friend.
Really?
Yeah, Supreme kan?
Iya, Richie Lee. Tapi Richie Lee sekarang lagi di Seattle juga. Yeah.
Iya, dia memang tinggal di Seattle.
Yeah. Richie Lee. Aku senang itu.
Richie Lee, right?
Richie Lee, iya.
LA,
iya.
Lanjut.
Nomor 2. Sekarang aku suka tahu Danny Mullen gak?
Nggak tahu.
Danny Mullen. Kayak Nelk kayak
Nelk
gitu.
Boys.
Nelk Boys, tapi namanya ada orang lagi namanya Danny Mullen. He's really really crazy. He goes out into like the public and he says crazy shit. So Danny Mullen nomor 2. Terus nomor 1
Selos. Oh ya.
Harus selos. You know, funny enough,
Apa?
like preparing for coming to Indonesia, I had to learn a little bit more bahasa.
Okay.
Right, so I listened to a lot of your podcasts.
Ah.
A lot of it. So I'm learning. The
You know,
last-
this is the best podcast in Indonesia. You know,
I believe it.
we have other better ones, but they're old.
They're old.
When they grow older, I'm the best.
Yes. New wave, new generation.
Malah bercanda ya, Om Deddy. Kamu tuh Om Deddy?
Enggak.
Ada yang botak tapi gede.
Oke.
Iya, itu juga selo senior.
Om.
Oke. Kamu mau 3 YouTuber favorit aku?
Iya.
Oke, the one who very inspired me. Oke, nomor 3 itu aku. Nomor 3 yang paling aku favorit siapa ya? Smosh.
Smosh, yeah.
Smosh.
Yeah.
I always see them as a whole their whole career reflects on me, like how to upgrade things, you know. Karena mereka dari lip sync, so you know I came from TikTok firstly. Jadi aku dari TikTok cuman joget-joget doang, and then sekarang aku jadi promotor kan.
Wow.
Dulu aku ngelihat mereka dari karaoke doang, lip sync, and then they have their whole production house, and then they sold. That's why Smosh that.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Terus number 2 itu I used to love. Do you know Dominic Show? Quest Crew. You know Quest Crew?
Yeah. I think I remember.
Rand Dominic Show.
Rand Dominic. No.
Okay.
Aku nggak
Number
pernah
1 is
nonton.
Ryan Higa.
Yeah, harus. Yeah, sama.
Yeah.
And I think too, I don't know where I heard it, but like I wanted to start YouTube, but aku like malu, right? It's like a little shy, right?
Bohong lu.
No, a little shy to make YouTube karena like I don't know like the like what people want to see. But then I just like, you know what? I'm just gonna put out what I want to put out. Like what do I like doing? But I heard that people like seeing the progression. Like you said, like you don't have to have anything fancy. Just like
Fine.
Yeah.
Quality.
Okay, ngerti.
In apa?
In quantity.
Yeah.
Of course, I remember aku pengen tulis di journal aku.
Kamu journaling juga?
Oh, harus.
I journal every day juga.
Let's go.
Udah berapa lama?
When
do you start?
Yeah, udah 3 tahun kayaknya.
Same.
Yeah. Like when I
Same.
start like my amateur career, yeah.
Kamu nonton pertama kali belajar journaling nonton siapa?
Nonton Sean O'Malley.
You watch Sean O'Malley.
A lot. Yeah.
Oh, bukan pertama kali journal?
Like when the first time I journaled.
Iya.
I just.
You journal because of Sean O'Malley?
Yeah, because I love watching his podcast. Dia bilangin aku selalu journal karena like we said, it's for fighting at least is all mindset. It's all mindset.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it just helps. Like,
You have the same style.
Yeah, I watch him a lot.
Yeah.
I watch him a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. The swag. Oke.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Terus nih ada pertanyaan. Menurut kamu,
Bisa lihat.
semua atlet combat sport di Indonesia punya kesempatan untuk berkarir kayak kamu nggak? Or you think they have to born in US also?
No, like especially nowadays. So I said it before. Like especially nowadays, the blueprintnya udah out there.
Yeah.
It's on there. It's who's going to follow it? Right? Especially we got the internet, right? Anyone can do anything now.
Yeah.
Like the resources is out there. So it's up to whoever's gonna follow it. So I believe that you don't have to. I mean, it does help when you live in a better environment. Tapi if you want it that bad, you have to be willing to put in the time and the sacrifice. And the blueprint is out there. So I believe anyone can do it anywhere.
Okay. So when is your like exact mental switch? Like when? So because I believe that skill itu compounds.
Bener.
Skill, you can compound skills, but mental is like it's just either on or off. When?
Like when I'm fighting?
No. When you're really like thinking that anything you can do anything. When?
You know what's funny is when I hit like that last story where I watched aku nonton Karate Kid terus di kompetisi aku I hit that right at that moment. Right at that moment. Because I was like, oh my God, I saw it in a movie and I did it. So that's when I started just believing in all the work that I put in.
Dan kamu belajarnya karena kamu kalah dulu ya?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the best saying ever is you either win or you learn. So, yeah.
Benar. Okay, top 3 of all time MMA.
Oh, fighters.
Do you watch boxing?
Not as much. No.
Okay,
Yeah,
top 3.
Top 3 MMA. Nomor 3 harus John Jones.
Number 3, John Jones.
Yeah, just because of lightweight and heavyweight, the baddest man in the world, harus John Jones.
Nomor 3 tapi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Nomor 2 sekarang Ilia Topuria.
Number 2 Ilia Topuria.
What he's done.
I know your number 1.
Yeah, you know it. Can you guess?
Is it GSP?
No.
Khabib?
No. Satu Demetrius Johnson. Harus.
Yeah.
Harus.
Demetrius Johnson is my first one.
Harus, man. If you put him in the heavyweight division with
Yeah.
his skill set, his athleticism, and his
It's
speed.
like, lu gak nonton anime sih.
Yeah.
You know, in anime, there is anime called Baki Hanma.
Okay, Baki.
Okay, Baki is like the strongest teenager in the world. When he shadow box, he imagined the strongest and the wildest creature that can beat him.
Oh, okay.
And firstly, when he imagined that, when he envisioned that, the first one in line is Muhammad Ali versus this creature, right? Do you know what creature is it?
What?
It is a heavyweight praying mantis.
Oh shit. Okay.
So you know praying mantis?
Yeah.
When you any insects that is his size, he will cut gitu. Atau dia bisa banting. Yeah.
Decapitate. Okay.
Atau dia bisa banting. So dia di envision dia pertama Muhammad Ali with his movement, he lost to that praying mantis. And then when he shadow box, dia juga pertama kalah, terus abis itu dia envision. Jadi sama juga kayak aku mikir kalau Demetrius Johnson tiba-tiba segede John Jones ya mati lah John
Yeah.
Jones.
Okay. I see. Aku ngerti. Yeah.
Yeah. It's like how we explain pound per pound means, right?
Okay.
Gitulah. Jadi
Kamu?
my
Yeah.
top 3. My top 3, number 3 is Ilia Topuria. Soon to be number 1, I think.
Okay.
Number 2 is John Jones. Number 1 is Demetrius Johnson. My
sama.
number 1 is number 4 GSP. Number 5 is Conor McGregor because of
what he done
he
to
done,
the sport. Agreed.
Okay, your number 4 and number 5.
Number 4, Conor McGregor. McGregor. He's what got me into this actually.
He's who inspired Ilya too.
Oh, for sure. Yep.
Have you seen like the first until the 5th fight? Or he's still
Like
do
this.
karate kan?
Yeah. It's
Karate
crazy. Yeah. I saw that.
Before he do the in fight.
Yeah, agreed. So nomor 4 Conor McGregor, nomor 5 harus Khabib. Harus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dulu nomor 5 aku sebenarnya Israel Adesanya.
Waduh. Yeah, Israel. Yeah. I like Israel.
But like Sardo said, you only as good as your last fight.
Yeah. I know.
What he've done is what defines swag in your fight style, and no one. I see him get the swag from MVP first.
Yeah. I see it.
I before MVP got to the UFC, right? But he perfects it.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah. Karena dia bisa joget juga.
bener.
Yeah.
He crump.
Yeah,
You know
crump. Yeah. I saw it like you. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
Itu keren banget.
Yeah,
Keren banget.
It
Because,
is.
Apa yang Israel suka, aku suka semua. He was anime. He was anime.
I see.
He crump. He do hip hop. And then he fights. I love
Yeah,
fights.
yeah.
So
I see it.
What got me into the promotion is 2016, 8 years ago. I watched Anthony Joshua and Canelo title run. That year they fought like many times.
Yeah.
And then I see Anthony Joshua versus Vladimir Klitschko, the first Eddie Hearn sold out Wembley Stadium. I think, wah, gila. Two men fighting with their fists and then 90,000 orang nonton. Gila bro.
Yeah, agreed.
90,000 kemarin itu 5.200. And then
Okay,
90,000.
Boy,
It's 18 kali bro.
that's crazy.
90,000.
That's crazy.
Wembley Stadium. And Eddie Hearn have sold Wembley twice.
Wow.
And fun fact, everybody that have sold Wembley Stadium, like by their own, in England they should call him sir. Wow. Ya, dia mestinya dinobatkan jadi sir.
I see. Wow.
Like Sir Alex, do you watch football?
Soccer,
Yeah.
soccer in America, right? Maaf. Football, maaf. Yeah, benar.
Yeah, football. Do you watch? No.
But
Do
I
you
used
watch
to play
other
it.
sports?
No.
You don't watch NBA?
No. I know.
Why?
I think it's boring. Yeah. Yeah.
Why is boring?
I don't know. I just never liked it. But I used to play soccer football. Aku pernah udah main football. Yeah. Tapi fighting is the best. Like you hear that saying, right? Say you're in like you're watching like a show or anything, and then terus ada orang lagi fighting in the corner. Everyone's gonna watch the fighting.
That's Mike Tyson quotes.
Okay, yeah, Mike Tyson. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's right. I'm just so attracted to that. That's as real as it gets.
Yeah, me too. That's why I have a fighting promotion.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Terus, oke. Kamu, dari semua orang yang kamu suka, kamu tuh pernah download kayak any other people mental nggak? Kayak kalau aku ya, I before like big important moment, I used to watch like Michael Jordan, I watch Kobe, I watch like aku pertama kali membiarkan my killer instinct is because of Kobe. Kamu nggak nonton juga tapi ya?
Nonton apa?
Kobe Bryant.
Not when he play, but I read like a book. Aku baca buku, tapi aku lupa
Mamba
namanya.
Mentality.
Yeah, Mamba Mentality harus great book. But aku nonton satu Conor McGregor.
Okay.
Nonton juga DJ sama Sean O'Malley. Yeah, that's my three favorite to like imitate. Because I feel like you can take a little bit from anyone, right, and make it to your own. You never want to copy someone fully, but there's always something that you can take from them.
Yeah, life is full of reference. You are what you reference from.
Yeah, benar. Yeah.
Jadi aku selalu bilang bahwa ketika kamu ngelihat your any other current condition is what he reference from. Jadi
yeah.
ya, and God let that happen or gitulah. Pokoknya kamu tuh adalah orang yang sesuai dengan referensi hidup kamu. Referensi hidup kamu itu Tuhan yang kasih supaya kamu jadi orang yang seperti sekarang.
Yeah.
Kamu percaya itu juga?
Yeah, for sure.
So God really make you kalah dari that two girls, and then you watch Karate Kid, and then you do that move,
Yeah.
and then your mental switch.
Yes.
Itu
benar.
yang aku percaya. Tuh disuruh kamu buka kacamata katanya.
Buka kacamata. Okay. Oh, aing still kasep.
Oh, I thought you have scar. Enggak, itu
iya, jerawat.
bukan jerawat.
Apa?
Bekas kacamata.
Oh iya, benar.
Kacamata kamu berat ya? Coba aku pakai.
Coba.
Kamu nggak cocok pakai kacamata
Iya.
gitu. Berat.
Apa artinya cocok?
Cocok is fit.
Fits. Wih. Ganteng.
Ini gelap banget tahu.
Iya, itu how do you say bright in bahasa?
Terang.
Terlalu terang. Iya.
Lampu kakak gitu. Kamu tahu lampu kakak?
Light brother. That's what it translates.
Iya benar.
Aha.
Ya gitu dah. Terus oke. So what's your apa pesan kamu buat orang Indonesia atau siapapun atlet yang mau pursue like so you're still pursuing your career, you're in the end of your career. Apa pesan kamu buat atlet-atlet atau orang Indonesia yang kamu harapkan mereka bisa lakukan lah?
I think it's kind of the same what I said before. Kamu harus cari teman orang yang ada similar goal kayak kamu, right? But also someone that can help keep you humble and keep you in place, right? They'll tell you when you're wrong, right? Tell them when they'll tell you when you need to do more, right? You have to have people. Harus. So just cari orang kayak gitu. You are who you surround yourself by.
Okay. Lastly, everybody in this podcast, so it is impact driven legacy, right? I don't know if we will go to another podcast or so, but what's your message to Bilal Alaikai Hasan in the next 5 years?
The next 5 years, okay.
Oh, kamu beneran apal ya?
Yeah, I heard that. That's a good question. I've never really thought about that. Keep reminding yourself why. Because, you can get caught up in a lot of distractions, right? Terus, you want to, of course, do more, but it all comes down to what you've been doing. Because, alhamdulillah, everything in my life right now, I'm 7 wins, right? So everything's been working. So just making sure that to never stray away from what I've done so far, right? Being able to go to training.
Told it to yourself in the 5 years.
Okay, right here, okay.
Yeah. 5 years again.
Okay.
5 years from now, Bilal Alaikai Hasan is UFC flyweight champion. What are you gonna talk to him?
Jangan lupa your why. How do you say why in bahasa?
Yeah. Don't forget why. Jangan lupa alasan kamu kenapa kamu melakukan ini at the first time.
That's too long.
Iya, karena gitu deh. Do you read Start with Why?
Start with Why belum.
Kamu harus baca juga.
Okay,
Mesti itu top
Why.
2 aku, Deng. Tadi aku lupa.
Okay, Start with Why. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't forget your why. Even when you're UFC champion, the thing with life is always what's next, right? You can get caught up with always what's next, but always remember your why. That's it.
Mantap. Bilal Alaikai Hasan. Okay.
Terima kasih banyak.
One interesting question that comes up to my mind. Do you think Conor McGregor forget his why?
Yes. Because you get caught up, right? You get caught up, and there's you always chase for that I want to say that next high, that next, the thing about fighting, you hear a lot of, kamu dengar banyak fighters bilangin like even when they retire, they always want to come back, right? So many fighters come back to fighting, right? So they need to find like another avenue to put in their energy into. So that's why I always tell myself, always remember your why. Why are you doing this? Even when it comes to fighting, and hopefully, inshallah, something else where I want to put into like a gym and giving back to other people. Don't ever forget your why. So that's why.
Is it why because apakah karena Conor McGregor kamu ngomong begitu?
That's a good reason. Like the thing is too is like you got to learn from other people's mistakes, right? And so that's the wisdom I got from it.
Yeah. Aku sama Sardo punya saying bahwa Conor McGregor yang tadi aku masukin ke top 5 GOAT aku adalah Conor McGregor from 2016.
Yeah. Bener.
Sedih
I know.
Mau tau sedih gak?
Sedih enggak.
Sedih is sad. It's sad.
Yeah.
Is like Sunda saying, Sedih
Sedih
Anjing lah. Don't say okay.
Okay.
It is a bad word.
Okay. I know now. Aku tahu sekarang.
Apa? Apa? Kamu punya nama gak? I have mine.
No. What is it?
It's Don.
Don?
Yeah.
That's a good name.
Don. Because it's
Wow.
as big as a dinosaur.
Wow. Waduh.
What's yours? You can name it now.
Name it now.
Maybe
You put me
he
on the
will
spot.
be happy. Maybe he will be happy. It is a he or she, no kan? It's a he, right?
Harus.
Iyalah, karena
Harus.
kalau di Amerika harus ditanya kan.
Yeah, yeah. Don't tell me. I could go on about that. It's
Okay,
crazy.
okay.
That's why I'm glad I'm in Indonesia.
Hey.
He put me on the spot.
What's a perfect name for your?
This might be weird. Sedikit aneh, but probably Billy. Billy.
Damn! You name it after yourself?
No, nama saya Bilal. Tapi okay, so
Bilal Willy.
Bilal, no. So this is gonna go on another part. But whenever I get into the cage and then they say go, I always think about like not my alter ego, but my higher version, my higher self, right? If it's me in that cage and they say go, I'm too attached to like my feelings and I react. So my higher version, I call it Billy. So
My
old Billy, the higher version.
yeah.
Is it good or no?
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
My higher self is ZXZ.
ZXZ?
Yeah.
Is that the guy like this? Is that
Itu
that guy?
Ziz.
Oh, shit,
ini
wrong
kan?
guy. Yeah, Z.
Yeah. Okay, ZXZ stands for is exist. So if you heard you read it fast, Celos is exist.
Oh yeah, that's your Instagram. Like
Yeah.
Okay.
Celos is exist. Celos is exist. And then Celos is exist is just like a message for myself kayak Celos tuh ada gitu. Celos is exist loh gitu, ada gitu.
Okay, ngerti. That's cool. Keren.
Gitu. Celos mungkin nggak mature, ZXZ is mature, you know.
Your higher version. Okay,
Yeah.
asik.
Billy.
That's
yeah.
cool, Billy.
But Don is different.
Don.
Don is primer.
I know.
Yeah. Installed with like 90,000 horsepower of fangs. So it goes like this and this.
Oh. That's gokil.
Hooked up.
Wow.
You know, it's nyangkul.
Apa artinya nangkul?
So what Billy does is like this kan.
I don't know.
Mine is
Wow. Maybe after this you teach me. You teach him the Indonesian Riz.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't give away your secret.
Itu dia bilang anak kekerasan. Bentar. Jangan di skip dulu. Jangan lupa itu ditonton video-video yang ada di situ ya. Tolong diklik karena pastinya nggak kalah bagus. Sama satu. Jangan lupa.
Apa Los?
Subscribe. Terima kasih.